and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the rooms ain't no lie, we can do it anyhow. You know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll never sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bottles and ranks come from mash up the place.
Hello folks, today on Taste Buds we're making curry chicken, quick and easy curry chicken, and I'm using Trader Joe's all natural chicken breast tenders. Yes, no bones. To our chicken we're adding some carrots, we're adding garlic, and I'm using a lot of garlic. We're adding ginger, we're also adding some potatoes, and the wife is say only use one potato. I'm adding some green onion or scallions, and I'm adding thyme and of course my chili peppers. And we're gonna get this done today. I also have a Vidalia onion that I'll be using some of. Let's look at some of our dry ingredients. I have some better pack curry, and this is Jamaican curry, and to that I'm adding some Garam Masala, I'm adding turmeric, and of course these will be added to the chicken. And I'm adding some crushed red peppers, and I'm adding ground cumin, I'm adding some white peppers, I'm adding cardamom, yes, that's one of my favorite spices, I'm adding garlic powder, I'm adding black pepper, and I'm also adding some chopped onion. Yes, it seems like a lot. Of course, I can't leave out my seasoning salt. But it seems like a lot, but guys, trust me, it's so quick and so easy. Alright, first thing I want to do is chop my chicken, wash it and make sure it's nice, cut into cubes. And then I'm adding some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to my chicken. Alright, now my camera is giving me some issues, it's not focusing, but yeah, it will work eventually. Focus. Alright, thank you. So now I'm adding my ingredients to my chicken, and this is to allow my chicken to marinate. And the reason why you're doing this is because you're really using chicken that is coming straight from the refrigerator. It's partially frozen, it's a weekday type of thing, and you want to get the dinner on the table. So what I do is I add all of these powdered seasonings or herbs, and I allow them to marinate while the chicken is sort of defrosting. And it's quick and easy to cut the chicken up when it is in this stage. It's easy to flavor it and to set the marinade and to make a chicken how it want to be. And guys, just add all the ingredients that you saw on the ingredients list to your chicken and mix it around. Allow it to sit for about 10-15 minutes, and I promise you guys, you have 100% chicken marinated like it was done overnight. And again, this is a quick and easy version of the recipe, so don't come at me, I promise you that. Alright, so I'm just adding the last little touches and more turmeric to give my chicken the color, and of course I love turmeric. And then we're gonna start to work on the rest of our ingredients. Oh yeah, I have to add a little bit of better pack as well. But my main reason for using my better pack is to burn it in the pot, and so I'm just adding a little bit to the curry because I want to give it that nice deep rich curry flavor, and then the rest of it will be added to the oil to burn. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is cut up my ingredients, and we are good to go. Start working on the ingredients now. because it does provide that kick, and as well it gives the feeling like it's Thai or Asian curry, makes it a little bit nicer. So I'm just slicing my ginger into slivers, and then we move on to the rest of our ingredients. The next thing I want to add is my green onion, yeah, because Jamaicans call it scallion, scallion, but we're cutting up our green onions. from the garlic will immediately start to sink into the chicken. And as you see, I'm using a lot of garlic. This dish does not come together unless you really plan to. And guys, guess what? The final thing that I'm even thinking about adding right now is some coconut milk. And the coconut milk will replace the water that has obviously, dried down. And as you saw, I did not add a lot of water. So now I'm going to make some coconut milk and add to this and just let it finish cooking nice and, like Jamaicans would say, cook down. Yeah, and I'm adding some Grace coconut milk. And you can use whatever coconut milk you choose. I'm using the powdered one. That way I can control the amount of water that I do add. So you just want to, put some warm water to this and add the coconut milk, and then you allow it to cook down. This, guys, is the finished dish. Yes, this is the finished dish. And guys, you want to do something like this as simple and quick and easy for your weekday meal, just make some curry chicken. Jamaicans love curry chicken. It's something we look forward to having. We cannot spend an entire week or even a month without cooking some form of curry chicken. Once again, guys, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments in the box below. Check out our merchandise store and stick and stay to Yardie TV. I really appreciate you watching us, and I do hope that you get to try this quick and easy curry chicken in your neck of the woods. Once again, live and laugh, cook and eat, and always turn your hand and make fashion. Peace out. Blessings.